Hey, it's Nicole and Jamie the Penguin with Melanin Coaster Network, and we're going to be riding the Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf Revenge, located in Oktoberfest today, and it opens up on May 23rd, so we hope you come down to Williamsburg, Busch Gardens to ride it. Are you ready, Jamie?
Yes.
All right.
We're out of here.
All right. I'm really excited. Here we go, Jamie.
Yep.
Here we go. Oh.
Here we go.
Woo! Oh my God. Woo!
Wow.
This is amazing. Check out the village.
Yes.
So right now we're going over the village. It's so cool, you guys. Woo!
Just like the old days.
Oh God, second lift hill.
Just like the old one, the second lift. And
Yeah, here we go.
Here we go now.
Woo!
Oh, beer.
And again, that was amazing. What did you think, Jamie?
I like it.
So Jamie said it's a go, and I do too.